What's going on, guys? GojiFan417 here, and if you read the title, I'm building a PC. So, I'm gonna build a PC, but you know what? I thought, why not make some content out of this? So we're starting out with this clip where, I ordered one of the parts, I think 2 days ago. It is the CPU, and it came in today. Is my address showing? It is. But it is right here. Yes, there's a water bottle on the floor, don't judge me. Can you see it? Yes, it is right here. So, yeah, let's get into opening up. And, yeah, this video might take like 3 or 4 months to finish, depending how long it takes me to order all the parts and build it. But let's open this thing up. Let's go, boys. I got the CPU. Oh, my fan's on. It was high, and I expected this to be a time lapse. I got a CPU. Ooh, I almost dropped it. That could have been bad in so many ways. This is the Radeon RX 570. It is just gaming certified. You see that? Gaming certified. So, I'm gonna leave it in the box until I get all the other parts, which is, I don't know when. Again, this video might take 2 to 4 months to make, depending how long it takes to get all the parts. So yeah, CPU, very epic. Okay, boys, it is July 31st, so it's been about 1 week since I got the CPU. I said GPU in that clip. I want to cry. It was actually the CPU I got. It's been a week since I got the CPU, and today we are going to Micro Center to get most of the other parts. Like, there's like 3 parts that I have to order online from like Amazon and that stuff. But the rest of the parts, I'm going to Micro Center today, and we're gonna pick them up. So, let's go. So here are the things I got at Micro Center. We have the NZX10, the NZXT H510 case. It is the white, outside white and inside is black. We have a B450 Address M motherboard, very fun, epicness. Some G-Skill Ripjaws, and we have a Barracuda Seagate internal drive. So yeah, I have 3 more things to order, plus we have this thing, which I got last week, so yeah, very fun. So yeah, 3 more things, and we get to build my first PC. Very epic. Alright, boys, we got another thing. In here are my fans that I'm gonna put in my case. I only needed 2 instead of 3, and they're the only thing that's gonna light up in my PC, so that's fun. And we have the flash drive in here, so I could transfer, or so I could put Windows into the PC. So let's open this up, shall we? Do I really need scissors for this? I don't. Let's go. Okay, no, I do. I've been scammed. I know they're at the bottom, so everything should be fine if I cut this open. There we go. So here's the fan. It is an RGB. Well, I'm dumb. It is Cool Master Sickle Flow. It is the red LED RGB, whatever. I got 2 of them because my fan supports 2 cases. I'm in 2 fans. It comes with. Okay, rephrase. My fan supports 4 fans. My case supports 4 fans. It has 2 fans, so I only needed to buy another 2, so I could have the 4 fans. There we go. I could speak English. And here is the flash drive, so I could put Windows in the PC. 32 gigabyte. So the... Yes, I got called in the middle of recording. Let's go. So the power supply is coming on Thursday. Yeah, Thursday. And then I've changed my CPU, so I have to order that, and then I do not know when that's gonna come. So maybe sometime next week, or maybe on Friday, because yeah, that's it. After that, we could build my PC. Let's go. Okay, so today is August 6th, and we got the final two parts to my computer. In this box, we have the CPU, not the GPU, stupid me, and we have the power supply in here. But before we unbox these, I do need to show you guys something. So yesterday, the 5th, I went to Micro Center again to pick up a monitor. This is the ViewSonic 144 24-inch monitor, 144 hertz 24-inch monitor. And we have a Red Dragon keyboard and mouse bundle. So yeah, let's get into unboxing this. Okay, now that I showed you that, let's get to unboxing. Oh, one more thing. I think like last week, I was in a call with friends, and I had to see if my case came with 2 fans or 1 fan. I did try and screen record the Discord call, but this happened. Yeah, no audio. So, it did come with 2 fans instead of 1, which I thought it was 1, but it's 2, so yeah. So, yeah, let's get into unboxing. Let's unbox the CPU first. I haven't opened the box. The knife just went in. Oh my god. Okay, that was the most terrifying thing ever. Are we good? Oh, okay, we're good. Whoo! That scared the crap out of me. Okay. Oh my god, that was like the most terrifying thing ever. Okay, so that's one box. Here we have the AMD Ryzen 5 2600. So, yeah, I was originally gonna get a 1600, but, it ran out of stock on Amazon, so I couldn't get it. So, yeah. And now we have the power supply. That one was a lot smoother. So, the power supply I have here, well, let me get it out first. Oh god. So the power supply we have here is the Cooler Master 650 watt gold full modular power supply. So yeah, here it is. It's 80 plus. Okay, good. I thought I screwed up there. 650 watt MWE gold. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for the parts. I could start building, but I do not know when I could start building though, because I do not have a desk. The desk I was supposed to use is currently in use by my mom, so I can't really build a PC and then not have a desk to game on. So it might be some time, like maybe a week or two, till I could actually build it, or maybe this weekend if like I get lucky. But yeah, we could get into building. So see you guys there. Okay, I got all the parts. I am in a call with some friends on Discord. You cannot see. Maybe. No, you cannot see. But I am in a call with Discord friends on my laptop. But audio cannot be heard because I need the headphones in for the mic. But we are going to start building the PC right here. I did have to buy this today because I needed a Wi-Fi card to connect to the Wi-Fi. But other than that, I guess we can start building. Let's go. Okay, so it's August 29th. The last clip was like 3 weeks ago, and the computer's not built yet. Let's just say I had a bad time building that computer, yeah. Please put a bullet in my head. So, we've done many things. We've replaced the motherboard once. Didn't work. So we took it to Micro Center. They ran some tests, and they said just restart. So we went to Micro Center today. We rebought everything besides the case, the 2 fans, and the GPU on the Wi-Fi card. So here we have the MSI Bazooka B450 motherboard. We have a Seasonic 650 watt fully modular I think a 3600 Ryzen 5, Seagate Barracuda, the same storage, and I think we have the same RAM as well, which is a G Skill. I don't know if it's Ripjaws though. But, yeah. I've also decided I'm not going to record the build because the first time it took about like 3 hours and no storage. And this time I'm not building it because I can't trust myself anymore because I've circuited, or I think I've circuited like 2 motherboards. So, yeah, I'll see you when the PC is actually built and not in a depressed state. Yeah. So, today is September 13th, and I finally got the PC back. So, I don't know if I said this in the last clip, I can't remember, but we had to rebuy all the parts, and we took it to someone to get it built for me, and it's done. I expected this video to take a month to make, but not for the reason it actually took. I thought it was going to take a while to get all the parts, but that happened so quickly, and it took a while to build. It took over a month to build. I think the first part we got was on July 23rd, so more than a month to make this video. But with that, I think it is time to turn on the PC. And with this, GojiGames will have its revival very, very soon. So yeah, let's do it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bro, look at that. There's the only thing that lights up. I mean, there's the GPU, but like, wow. That's beautiful. Oh my god, that's sick. Oh, that's so cool. I peeled the plastic. Oh yes, that is awesome. So, I guess that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yes, I'm in my basement right now because something is happening to the upstairs. Some changes. But, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button and the subscribe button. It will help me out. GojiGames will be getting a revive, so GojiGames, Instagram, and my Twitter are all in the link in the description below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.